If you're studying for the real estate exam, one of the most common math questions you'll see is how to calculate commission. The good news is this type of problem actually follows a very simple formula. Once you understand it, these questions become much easier to solve. Make sure to stay until the end because I'll share a tip with you that will help you recognize the pattern most commission questions follow on the real estate exam. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to calculate commissions step by step. So let's look at this example that is similar to what you might see on the exam. A property sells for $350,000. The commission rate is 6%. Find the total commission earned. The formula for calculating commission is very straightforward. Its commission is equal to sales price times commission rate. To find the commission, you just multiply the sales price by the commission rate. But before you do that, you need to make sure you convert your percent to a decimal. So currently, we have 6%. To change this to a decimal, we're going to move the decimal point 2 spots to the left. So the decimal point is behind the 6, even if you don't see it. Percent means per 100, which is why it's moving it 2 spots to the left. It's out of 100. So it becomes 0.06 as a decimal. We're going to use that to find our commission. The next step is to simply multiply the sales price times the commission rate. So the sales price is $350,000 times that commission rate as a decimal, 0.06. Gives us the total commission earned on the sale, which is $21,000. If you are preparing for the real estate exam and you'd like more practice problems like this, I created a free real estate math practice pack that you can download using the link in the description below. It includes several exam-style math problems with step-by-step solutions. And now for the one helpful tip to remember on the exam is that most commission questions follow the same pattern. Commission equals price times rate. You're going to be given the sales price and the commission rate, and you calculate the total commission by multiplying them together. Be sure to change the percentage to a decimal first. This small step can save you easy points on the real estate exam. In another video, I'll show you how commission is split between agents and brokers, which is another common question on the exam. If there are any topics you find confusing as you prepare for the real estate math exam, let me know in the comments below so I can make more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and good luck on your real estate exam preparation.